Let me hit you with a shocking fact. Americans owe over $1.7 trillion in student loans. That's more than the GDP of Canada. Yeah, an entire country. And here's the thing, if you're watching this, chances are you're carrying a piece of that trillion-dollar pie on your back. Now, let me ask you, how does it feel to see that balance every month? Maybe you've been out of school for years, but the debt is still sitting there, staring at you like a shadow that just won't go away. Maybe you're only making the minimum payments and you feel like you'll never escape. Or maybe you're just starting out and you're already scared that you'll be paying this off forever. You're not alone. Millions of people are in the exact same boat. Some delay buying a house, others push off starting a family, and some even give up on their dreams, all because of student loans. I know people who've said, it feels like a second rent payment, but without the apartment. That's how heavy it can feel. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to stay that way. You don't need to be a financial expert or make six figures to take control of your loans. What you do need is a strategy, a step-by-step plan that helps you save money, build security, and pay down debt without burning out. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a savings plan that actually works, how to create an emergency fund so you don't fall back into debt, and how to use proven strategies like the Snowball and Avalanche method to attack your student loans head-on. Plus, I'll show you how to boost your income and stay motivated along the way. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed, stressed, or even hopeless about student loans, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a game plan that puts you back in control of your money, your debt, and most importantly, your future. 1. Understanding student debt. Explain clearly. Student loans are money you borrowed to pay for your education, but they come with a catch interest. That interest can make your balance balloon over time if you're not careful. Real-life example. Say you borrow $25,000 at 6%. If you take 10 years to pay, you'll end up giving back almost $33,000. That's $8,000 just in interest. Money that could have gone to vacations, investments, or even your first house. Emotional impact. This is why so many graduates delay buying a car, moving out, or starting a family. Debt doesn't just cost money, it costs time and peace of mind. 2. Why saving matters and how to start. Emphasize consistency. Saving isn't about putting away huge amounts. It's about small, consistent moves that build up over time. Practical example. If you save just $50 a week, that's $200 a month, $2,400 a year. Enough to knock down a chunk of your debt or cover emergencies. Viewer exercise. Write down your income and expenses. Circle 3 areas where you can cut costs this month. Decide on your monthly savings number. Even if it's small, psychological hack. Treat savings like a bill. You don't decide to pay your rent, you just do it. Apply the same mindset to saving. 3. Build your emergency fund. Storytelling. Imagine you're finally making progress on your loans, and then, boom, your car breaks down. Without a safety net, you're forced to swipe the credit card and pile on more debt. That setback kills your momentum. Practical. Start with $500. Once you hit that, grow it until you cover 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. This is your financial armor. Reassurance. Yes, it takes time, but once you have that cushion, every debt payment feels safer. 4. Debt repayment strategies. Snowball method. Attack your smallest debt first. It builds quick wins and keeps you motivated. Every debt you crush is like a level up. Avalanche method. Attack the highest interest rate first. It saves you more money long term. Not as exciting at first, but mathematically smarter. Hybrid approach. Do Snowball for motivation, then switch to Avalanche once you're on a roll. That way, you get the best of both worlds. Story. Take Sarah, for example. She owed $1,200 at 19%, $5,000 at 7%, and $10,000 at 5%. She started with the Snowball, paid off the $1,200 first, got the momentum, then switched to Avalanche and saved over $2,000 in interest. 5. Boosting income, practical tips. Freelance writing, design, tutoring, part-time gigs, Uber, DoorDash, Instacart. Sell unused clothes or tech on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Example calculation. If you earn an extra $400 a month and throw it straight at your loans, you'll pay off $4,800 in just 1 year. That's like cutting a whole year off your payment plan. Challenge to audience. This week, pick one side hustle or one item to sell. Use that money only for debt. You'll see how fast small wins add up. 6. Staying motivated. Strategies. Use a visual debt tracker on your wall. Celebrate milestones with small rewards, not expensive ones. Listen to finance podcasts or follow debt-free communities online. Emotional payoff. Every payment you make is buying back your freedom. Think of it like building a bridge out of debt, brick by brick, payment by payment. 7. Invest in your future. Transition. Once your loans are gone, don't stop the momentum. Redirect that money into investments. Example, if you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, earning an average of 7%, by 60 you'll have over $240,000. If you wait until 35, you'll only have around $115,000. Time is your best friend. Inspire. Paying off debt isn't just about the present. It's about unlocking your future opportunities. All right, let's pull everything together. If you've made it this far, you already know the path. Step 1. Save consistently, even if it's just a few bucks a week. Step 2. Protect yourself with an emergency fund, because life happens. Step 3. Attack your debt using either the Snowball or Avalanche method, whichever keeps you going. Step 4. Boost your income, because every extra dollar is a weapon against interest. And Step 5. Once you're debt-free, invest like your future depends on it, because it does. Now, let me ask you something. What would your life look like without debt? Picture logging into your bank app and not seeing a student loan balance staring back at you. Picture every paycheck being yours to keep. No lender taking a slice. Imagine planning a trip, buying a car, starting a family, or even quitting a job you hate, all because your money is finally working for you. Debt is more than numbers. It's stress, sleepless nights. It's saying no to things you want to say yes to. But here's the truth. Every payment you make chips away at those chains. Every sacrifice, every dollar you save, every gig you pick up, it's not just money. It's freedom being built in real time. And don't get discouraged if the journey feels long. Remember, this isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Progress is progress, even if it feels slow. One day, you'll look back and realize you're standing on the other side of a mountain you thought was impossible to climb. And the best part? You'll never have to climb it again. Here's the mindset I want you to take away. Debt payoff is not punishment, it's preparation. It's training for the life you want. If you can build the discipline to knock out student loans, you can build the discipline to invest, to grow wealth, to chase opportunities others only dream of. So, don't just see this as paying off debt. See it as unlocking your future. Because every payment, every choice, every step brings you closer to the day when your money is 100% yours. And that day is worth every sacrifice. If this video gave you value, smash that like button. Subscribe to Bank It Up and share this with someone who's struggling with student debt. You never know. This might be the spark that changes their entire financial life. Remember, Money isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about freedom, choices, and the future you deserve. So keep pushing, keep saving, and keep moving forward. Your financial freedom is closer than you think.